One of the biggest questions that I get on my YouTube channel is, will this method help me make X amount of dollars? Will this Pinterest method help me make $1,000 per month, or Instagram or YouTube or TikTok? And the answer simply is yes. Any of these methods work, and I'm actually going to show you why they work and how they work. And in addition, I'm going to show you the 7 best free traffic sources for affiliate marketing. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which traffic source is going to work best for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, I get all the time, will this method work? Can Pinterest traffic help me get $1,000 per month? Can I really make a full-time income with this traffic source? And the answer, as I mentioned, is yes. And I want to show you why any of these methods can work. If we look at my screen right here, this is an infographic with the 50 most visited websites in the world. I'll put a link in the description so you can check this out for yourself. But as you can see, Google has 92.5 billion users with a B. YouTube has 34.6 billion, Facebook 25.5 billion, Instagram 6.18 billion or 6.1 billion. The reason why I'm pointing these numbers out is if you want to make $1,000 per month with any of these 4 traffic sources that I mentioned, you just need to get a fraction of a percent. And the key is, and the reason why people aren't often having the level of success that they're looking for with affiliate marketing isn't the traffic source. It is not solving problems, not answering questions, and not generally being helpful. Oftentimes people struggle with affiliate marketing simply because they're just putting out their links there and they're not being consistent enough. And I just want to show you another infographic, and I don't want this to turn into a rant. I just want to show you that traffic isn't your problem. Any of these methods can work and will work with enough consistency. If we look at this one right here by Statistica, this is the most popular search networks worldwide as of July 2021. This is worldwide, and Facebook leads with 2.853 million searches. YouTube is 2.291, and I believe this is probably on a monthly basis. If we did the math too, probably, yeah, I think this might be on a monthly basis. We have WhatsApp, we have Instagram, Facebook Messenger, we have TikTok, QQ, Telegram. We have all sorts. Pinterest is down here at 478 million. Again, Reddit below that, 430 million, Twitter, 397 million, Quora, 300 million. Now, the reason why I want to point this out, and this is important, is because, again, traffic is never the issue. You could pick one of these traffic sources and make a full-time income. For example, Quora, 300 million monthly searches. You just need a fraction of a percent to make $1,000 per month. You could do this with just 7 sales, 8 sales, 10 sales, and you don't need a lot of traffic to do it. So as I mentioned, traffic is never the issue, almost never the issue. It's being consistent and persistent with your efforts. Oftentimes, we'll try one traffic source because someone on YouTube told us to, and if we don't get the immediate results, for example, the next YouTube video that you watch, it'll tell you how to make $100 per day in 38 seconds with a simple, easy tasks. You'll try that method. Maybe they tell you to go over to Pinterest and do something. You'll try that method. You don't make $100 per day in the 38 seconds, and then you'll go back to YouTube and you'll try something else. The key to affiliate marketing with these traffic sources is being consistent and persistent with your efforts. Every single day, you upload 5 Pinterest pins or 10 Pinterest pins or 50 Pinterest pins, and then you learn from the results. You see which ones work, you see which ones don't work, and then you replicate and you scale. That is the key to making money with affiliate marketing. So will Pinterest work? Yes, you can make $1,000 per day or $1,000 per month or $1,000 per year with Pinterest or Quora or Reddit because the user base is already there. And now that I have ranted a little bit about these traffic methods, I'm going to reveal my 7 favorite free traffic sources for affiliate marketing. #1 is with YouTube. And the reason why I like YouTube is because you can get ranked on Google and YouTube with a YouTube video. So you're kind of doubling your reach there. You can get recommended. YouTube is so much better than Google search because you could be watching a video, for example, this lawn renovation video, and the competitor's video could show up in the suggested. It could show up next to your video, or you could create a video on, how to weave the perfect basket, and someone else's video, a competitor, can show up right next to it, and they can get reach that's not really available anywhere else. And so I really like YouTube because it has a search component which allows people to get discovered with organic search, and it has a recommended and suggested, as you can see on my screen here. These recommendations are based on what I've watched in the past. And so YouTube is incredibly powerful if you do it right. So number one is YouTube. Number two is TikTok. And when you pair YouTube and TikTok together, you're kind of cheating. It's almost like it's almost an unfair advantage. And so the reason why I like TikTok is you don't need a lot of subscribers. You don't need a lot of followers, but you can gain them relatively quickly. I also like that you can put a link in the description, as you can see on my profile here. I only, quote unquote, only have 38,000 followers, but you just create simple 60-second videos, and really you can do the same thing with Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. But I like TikTok because it was like the originator. It's the OG for this type of content, and it doesn't take a lot of time to make. I make a lot of these videos in 60 seconds, or I make a lot of these videos within 5 minutes. So within a half an hour, you could have a whole week's worth of videos created and saved, and then you just upload them over time. As you can see, another reason why I like another reason why I like TikTok is you don't have to show your face. A lot of these videos, I don't have my face in them. A lot of these videos I actually created over on Canva, and I upload them, and they're getting traffic, leads, and sales. And the other cool thing I like about TikTok is, again, you can feed them into your Instagram profile or YouTube, where some of the other profiles like YouTube, they don't really like you going off platform, but TikTok doesn't seem to have that big of a problem with it yet. After TikTok, we have Google. I still like Google because you can ask questions in Google and you can get discovered organically. It is incredibly competitive if you are trying to fight for some competitive keywords, but there is still plenty of opportunity. You can use keyword research tools to help you find those cracks in the system, but I think Google is still a good opportunity. And another reason why I like Google and blogging is you don't have to show your face. You don't really have to interact with people. You can be completely, or I would say semi-anonymous, and you can upload as frequent as you want. You can also outsource the content almost 100%, just make some edits, and you can get leads, sales 24 hours a day. So Google is still a good opportunity as long as you pick a niche and you do the appropriate research. One of the issues that people run into is they want to just write on anything and everything. You have to be a little bit more strategic when you are creating content for your blog. So after Google, we have Pinterest. And one of the reasons why I like Pinterest is right now, video pins are kind of overpowered and they're going crazy. I've just been uploading 5 video pins per day, and I still get about almost 1 million monthly views on my content. I like Pinterest because people are more intentional. They're using it as a search engine where they have a problem, and again, they're looking for a solution. One of the drawbacks to Facebook is people are just kind of letting Facebook happen to them, where people are going over to Pinterest and looking for intentional ways to solve their problem. Also, I like Pinterest because they don't mind sending people off a platform. Again, one of the drawbacks to something like Facebook is they don't want their users to leave the platform. But within Pinterest, you can add affiliate links to your blog, your YouTube channel, or wherever you want them to go. So I really like Pinterest for a number of reasons. And again, you can create these video pins right in Canva. After Pinterest, we have Facebook. I still like Facebook. I like Facebook groups more so than anything else because Facebook groups helps you build a semi-powerful community. People can come back and interact, and you can actually put your affiliate links. You can pin that to the top. So anytime someone comes back to your group, you can potentially get a sale that way. And the cool thing is with Facebook groups is people are creating groups about anything. So if we just typed in like woodworking, we type in woodworking and you go to groups, you can see there are woodworking groups, and then you could promote something like Ted's Woodworking that can be found over on ClickBank. But as you can see, there's over 456,000 members in Woodworking Tricks. How many leads and sales do you think that he gets every single day just by pinning his affiliate link to the top of his group board? So I think Facebook groups can be incredibly powerful. They can be a good opportunity if you do them correctly. After Facebook groups, we have Reddit. Now I like Reddit for the same reason why I like Facebook groups. Within Reddit, you can create different subreddits or communities focused on an individual topic. We could go up and we could look up woodworking yet again. We'll type in woodworking, and you're going to see there are a bunch of different groups that are dedicated to just woodworking. And the great thing with the community is people are coming in and they're sharing their experiences. They're really connecting. They're meeting with people and that have similar interests, and it can help you make money. Again, if you do it the right way. As you can see, this woodworking group has 3.2 million members. Do you think you could make $1,000 per month with 3.2 million members? The answer is obviously yes. The one below it has 51,000 members for wood carving. Do you think you could make $1,000 per month with Reddit and 52 million members? The answer there is yes. Again, there are millions of people coming to these platforms. You just have to be consistent, persistent, and create content that is actually helpful, that actually solves a problem, that actually adds value, and not just spamming your links and taking a step back and wondering why nobody's buying. After Reddit, we have Quora. Now, I've done lots of videos on Quora. I love Quora because, again, people are coming to Quora and they're searching their problem. If you can answer questions and help solve problems and be relevant and topical and be consistent, you are going to get lots of traffic, leads, and sales. Just to show you my statistics, and I haven't answered any questions in probably 6 months. As you can see, over the last 30 days, I've had 1.1 thousand views, 3 upvotes, and 1 comment on content that I've created. If we look over all time, you can see I've had 65,000 views, 651 upvotes, and 8 shares. Now, the key to Quora is that you cannot add your affiliate link. I talk about it all the time. You cannot add your affiliate links. You have to send them to a YouTube channel, to a blog post, or to a landing page. And it's going to take some work and some consistency. When I first got started and I got serious with Quora, I answered 5 questions per day. And I answered them blog post style, where they were relatively long, 1,000, 1,500 words, but that's what it's going to take to get 65,000 views, 651 upvotes. And the cool thing with Quora is if you get enough upvotes on an answer, they're going to send an email with your answer out to everyone that's on their email list that has looked up the question or has expressed interest in the niche or topic. So again, any of these methods can work as long as you are consistent and persistent. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start, and you'll get all the assistance that you need. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.